Hey guys, Eric here, back with another video. Be sure to subscribe for more videos and content just like this. So today we're going to talk about contact form 7. What I'm going to show you is how to use a placeholder and how it actually works. Right now I've got the contact form here. This is just a basic contact form. So when you go ahead and you throw in the short code, this is what you're going to see: the name, email, subject, and message. But a placeholder is unique in the sense that what it does is it puts text in the input field here. So instead of seeing your name here, you're actually going to see it in the input field. Once somebody starts writing in the input field, it starts to disappear. So it definitely gives you a professional, modern feel. You see a lot of websites that actually use it, but how do you do it? So what we're going to do is go back to the dashboard. We're going to go back to the contact form specifically, and we're going to go to the one that's contact form 2 that we're working on right now. Let's just head over to edit. So to do this simply, as an example, we're just going to start with your name, and what we're going to do is right after it says your name, we're going to put a space. So basically this is in between those brackets. After your name, we're going to put a space, and we're going to write the word placeholder, followed by opening quotes, and that's with the descriptive text now that you want to appear in that field. So for this example, we're just going to put your name. Close it with the quotes there. We're going to go ahead and save it. Now let's take a look at and refresh. It should say your name in the placeholder. Great. So now let's do this. Let's just get rid of the your name part there. And we're simply just going to delete that. And let's save it. Let's go back, refresh, and your name should be gone at the top part. Okay, so now you've got your name just in the placeholder, and as soon as they start writing in their name, it will disappear. Okay, and that's exactly how you do it. It's as easy as that, and you can do it with any one of these. So if it was the email part, you could go back to email, and you could right after your email put placeholder, opening quotes, email, closing quotes. Get rid of that part there. And you could go ahead if you wanted to, you could put required. Let's save it. Let's go back. Let's refresh. And there you go. So it's as easy as that. That's exactly how you create a placeholder using the field names.